Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the file open and the correct language selected. That matters because comment tokens differ. First, select the lines you want to uncomment. You can place multiple cursors with Alt plus click or Shift plus Alt plus drag. Once selected, press the toggle line comment shortcut, Ctrl+/ on Windows/Linux, CMD+/ on Mac OS to flip comment state, or use toggle block comment for block tokens. This immediately removes single-line comment markers when applicable, making your code active again. Now handle mixed or nested comments. If you selected a region wrapped in block tokens like /**/ or use toggle block comment, Shift plus Alt plus A to remove them. If shortcuts don't work, open the command palette and type uncomment or toggle line comment to run the exact action. Make sure multi-cursor edits don't leave stray markers. Once done, scan for language-specific tokens. If you need a custom workflow, change key bindings in Preferences so the commands match your muscle memory. Finish by saving and running your linter or formatter to catch syntax issues caused by uncommenting. If something breaks, immediately use undo or revert the change via Git. That's faster than hunting errors. If the uncomment commands don't respond, make sure your key bindings aren't overridden and that no extension captures the same shortcut. Disable or reassign as needed. Finally, confirm the file language mode again. Mismatch between language and comment tokens is the most common problem.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.